Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can get more storage on your PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the right, you're gonna find game library. Right here, you're gonna find a list that includes all of the games and applications that you have installed on your PlayStation 5. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of these sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, in order to get more storage or free some space on your PlayStation 5, first of all, go ahead and click on settings. And then once you're here, go ahead and search for storage. Go ahead and click on it. And then here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find console storage, USB extended storage, and lastly, installation location. So go ahead and click on console storage. And then here, as you can see guys, you can see how much storage your games and apps consume, also your media gallery, save data, and other things. So in order to free up some space, you can just go to any game that you don't use anymore, and you can just delete it by clicking on option. And then here you're gonna find the option to delete the game. Just go ahead and click on delete, and then you're gonna be able to delete the game. You can also go to your media gallery, and then from there you can remove your some videos, some photos that you don't use anymore to free up some more space. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.